All right, so I'm here for an unboxing, and this time we're doing the new oven, the new pizza oven by Gozney. It's called the Arc Lite. And of course, those people who've been following TechAU for a while, you know that I've had other Gozney ovens, and I certainly love them. This one, the idea is it's a lot more portable, but you get many of the same sort of features or qualities of the larger, the one we reviewed in the past. But clearly with portability, the goal is you can take this thing in the back of the car, in the back of the ute, take it to a destination down by the river, camping, wherever you need, to a friend's house. It just adds that extra little bit of option that you don't really have with a larger oven. So straight away, the unboxing experience, we get a nice hello. Inside the hello, what do we got here? Just like a normal envelope. And it says, nice to meet you. I'll read you a little bit about the description. It wasn't a designer, it wasn't a CEO. By 21, I wasn't. So I wasn't a designer, I wasn't a CEO. By 21, I'd been kicked out of school and was fresh out of rehab. I built a pizza oven in my garden and threw myself into cooking. It changed my life. In fact, it probably saved it. This is about more than making great food, and we're glad you're here. We've tried to make the experience as effortless as possible. Scan the QR code for help when you're setting up your oven, how to get started with your pizza, warranty and registration. Thank you. Together we're changing the way the world cooks outdoors. Much love, Tom, the founder. So pretty cool little personal touch there as we open this up. We've got a quick start guide, which is not little. And if you see me a little hot today, won't be from pizza just yet, but it is 40 degrees today. So that's a bit of fun in an Aussie summer. But yeah, this little sort of quick instructional design if we need that. Get rid of this, nice to meet you. And then this is more about their, you've got some menu ideas and more products. We'll get to those in a second. There is a great accessory box that we're going to get to in a second. But just so you can see what I'm seeing, here you go. This is nice little foam insert. So this will be the hot rock, the bed that goes inside it, I'm sure, that heats up and makes sure that base of the pizza is really crispy. Oh, there's something in there. All right, some kind of support or braces or something. Yeah, to avoid danger, blah, blah, blah. It's a plastic bag. Cool. Nice. We'll get to that in a second. Set that aside. Actually, over here's probably better. All right, then the oven looks like this. Nice and smooth. We've got the black. I'm not sure if it comes in multiple colors. I'll have to check that out. And, oh, look at that. I'll move this out of the way. There might be some more goodies in the bottom of that. Bit of packaging off the back here. And, as you'd expect, sort of gas regulator. And what else is in here? More cardboard. All right, so drum roll. This is the front of the new Arc Lite. So it does say a couple of labels on the back here that outdoor use only. So if you've got any ideas of trying to fire it up inside, forget about that. But yeah, good sort of size, good opening. So you're certainly going to get some decent sized pizzas in there. And on the back, you might have seen this already, but on the back we've got sort of very simple design, gas connector, and then yeah, the regulator connector to the gas bottle here. So bit of bubble wrap around that. Get that out of the way. I won't spend too much time on that. But yeah, I think that's the story there. And just the weight of it. I mean, that's maybe one of the more impressive things is it's pretty portable. Here's the answer to that. And of course you've got your temperature control over there. And then what's going to happen, obviously this stone is going to go in here. Which way I wonder? We're about to find out which way together. Probably that way. Yeah. There we go, like that. So that's going to heat up and make sure those pizza bases are nice and crispy the way we love it. So next we've got another package here. Actually, before I get into that, which I don't actually know what's inside here, I'll go to the accessory box. This arrived separately. I don't know if that's going to happen if you buy this thing, but we certainly got a nice accessory box here. So picture of the oven here, and then I'm a big fan of this book that comes, really solid, thick, and it's full of recipes, like just absolutely full of amazing things that you can cook with this oven. And I'm talking, try and find a page count here for you. 239 pages. So, you know, they didn't skimp at all with that. We've got some dough, so you're going to make your own base. And then, of course, the accessories here to sort of cut it, chop it, whatever you like. Another bit of welcome card and goodness. And then, again, a good pizza cutter. And just, you know, from the stuff I've had from Gozney before, really high quality. And there's a nice little portable cover for that if you want to take it with you. So that's the accessory box. Now for the surprise. I actually don't know what's in here, so we'll find that out together. Just trying to hide the address. Now that's gone, we can do it a sensible way. All right. Got lots of bubble wrap. As I suspected, they went kind of crazy with accessories again. And so we've got the cover. So I never, thanks accessory helper. So I never realized, I thought we might just want to pause on that. Cheers. All right, so these are the accessories that also came with it. This is the cover. So I guess when I got the other one, I wasn't really sort of thinking too far ahead, and you know, the cover was nice, and I thought, okay, it'll be sort of cool to cover it up when I'm not using it. But when you think through it, and these things are going to be outdoors, wildlife is going to want to get inside there. It's a nice cozy place, and that's why these covers are actually, I'd sort of put them in the essential camp rather than sort of an optional accessory. And you know, for this one, it's a very similar style, very robust. Got these pull tabs to hold it tight around the oven, and it's just going to slip over it like that. Very cool. What else do we get? Digital thermometer. So, you know, if temperature, if some of the meals that you're cooking are temperature sensitive, you're going to want to definitely shine that at the oven, and let you know whether it's up to temperature or not. The previous one that I had actually had a digital dial, and you could tell exactly what temperature it's at. That's really great. This one I think is sort of more of the manual control, and then we've got a turning peel. So this obviously size, you know, comparative to this size oven, it's going to fit in that opening, carry your pizza in and out safely. There we go. So it's nice and short, sort of compact handle, proportionate to the oven, so that makes sense. These, not 100% sure. Oh, that'll be a little tray on the front or something. We'll work that out once we fire it up, but that is a quick unboxing of the new Gozney Arc Lite pizza oven. And if you like this, make sure you
like and subscribe.
Cheers. I'm Jason from TechAU.